Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. National Library Week is April 7th through April 13th. On Tuesday, April 9th, we celebrate National Library Workers' Day, and on April 16th, we celebrate National Librarian Day. Be sure and stop and thank the staff for all the hard work they do to make our library great. Tomorrow, April 8th, is a solar eclipse. If you still need glasses, come see us. Tuesday, April 9th, is our next Second Tuesday Lunch and Learn from noon to 1. This one's going to be about cyber crimes. Detective Ruth Martin of the Rogers Cyber Crime Unit will be here to tell us how we can identify and protect ourselves from cyber crimes. We have two great programs scheduled for Saturday, April 13th. The first one is Northwest Arkansas Foraging Workshop from 10 a.m. to noon. Timothy Hammer will teach about spring foraging in the Ozarks and give tips on how to harvest and prepare edible plants. Then the second program is Tech Hub, Computers for Absolute Beginners. This is a great way to learn about computers if you've never used one, or if it's been a while and you need a refresher course. This is great, so be sure and register for this one. Then on Saturday, April 20th, is our next Tech Hub. iPhones for Absolute Beginners is from 9 to 10. And Android phones for Absolute Beginners is 10 to 11. Also on Saturday, April 20th, is our next Achieve It. This one is online support for job searching, and this one will be from 1 to 2. In the teen department, there's not going to be a teen DIY on Monday, April 8th, but there is one on the 15th, so be prepared to come make scones that day. This program is from 6 to 8. On Saturday, April 13th, all you teens out there, come to Storytelling 101 for Teens, and that's from 2 to 4. And this one does require registration. Saturday, April 20th is Teen Tabletop Dungeon World, and that's from noon to 4. Be sure and check the event calendar for dates and times of the other teen programs. In children's, Tween Craftings on Thursdays, April 11th and April 18th. Come check out what they're going to be doing. Saturday, April 20th, is another Stories in French with Bethany. Bethany always has fun activities to do and learn about the French language and history. Children's always has so much going on every week, so check the event calendar on our website for all the up-to-date information. Sunday, April 21st, we're having our spring plant exchange. Weather permitting, we'll be outside the library, and if we can't be outside, we'll be in the Friends of the RPL community room. So drop in anytime between 1 and 4. Bring a plant to exchange and pick one up. And if you don't have a plant or seeds or whatever, don't worry. Just drop in and see what we've got. So for now, that's it. Hope you have another couple of wonderful weeks.